Hey everybody, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money online selling on Amazon. And if this is your first time to the channel, this channel is all about how to make money from home, affiliate marketing, how to start your own business, how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And I like to give you a little bit of everything on this channel. I'm also going to mix in there some mindset and things about the subconscious mind. So if those are things of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you. I appreciate you guys. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, we're going to talk about how to make money online selling on Amazon. Now, first of all, we're going to talk about Amazon drop shipping. And if you don't know what this is, it's a fulfillment method where you don't keep the products you sell, and when you sell a product, you purchase from a third party and you have it shipped directly to the customer and you keep the profit. There are some pros and cons. I would say the pros of Amazon drop shipping are you don't need to worry about storing and stocking inventory. It's low overhead. You can take advantage of Amazon's huge audience and traffic. They already have the traffic. You're just getting yourself in front of it. And you can earn a full-time income. I have a couple friends who do earn a full-time income drop shipping on Amazon. And they've done it for years. Their whole family's involved. The cons of Amazon drop shipping, you have to pay some fees, but really 15% isn't that bad. You have to do the customer support. You can hire people to do that for you as you grow, but you have to take care of all your customers. You have to keep track of out-of-stock inventory. And Amazon is strict on metrics, and you can get your store shut down if you don't keep it in good standing. Okay, I did Amazon drop shipping for a little while. And this was a number of years ago, but I just wanted to present this to you and show you the business model that we used that worked very well for us. I'm not able to go back that far because it was in 2015. We did a profit of $16,000 in 6 weeks, which was pretty incredible. The minute we started this business model, from that day to every single day in those 6 weeks, the least amount we profited was $350. Our best day was $1,300. Now that's with a lot of orders. So let me explain to you a little bit what we did. These are some of the sales here. I was able to go back here and see what actually we sold. So you can see like these are what we got paid from Amazon, and we got hundreds of orders a day. Now this isn't how much we got paid. That was minus whatever we paid for the product. So what my daughter did was she, rather than source items from, like, let's say Overstock, Hayneedle, Wayfair, those kind of stores, what we did was we looked at eBay and we found top-rated sellers that sold products that they had at their house, and they had a good amount, and then we listed them on Amazon, and then we would get the buy box, and that's how we would get hundreds of orders a day. And at a certain point we just couldn't keep up with the orders. We had to hire some people to help us fulfill the orders. But what happened, and I wouldn't recommend that you do it with beauty products, because, well, you have to get approved in these categories before you can sell, but I was approved in health and beauty. So she did a lot of selling of makeup, and some of these were, we thought they were original, but they weren't, we found out. But considering we sold hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them, we had a few customers say that they didn't think it was authentic. That's the word I'm looking for. Although the supplier on eBay said that it was. But let me just show you just this business model, because you may never have thought of using eBay as a supplier. And I'm just going to use the example of makeup for now, but you can do this with any kind of product. So if you go to, let's say this is one of the things that we sold, was this Ben Nye banana powder, and you install this plugin called Price Blank, and you can look at you can go over to eBay and see that, okay, here it's listed. We can jump on this listing here for $39.95, and then you can go over to eBay and see that it's being sold for $20, and you can contact the seller and see, you want to make sure that they're not drop shipping, but they actually have these at their house, and you can buy it from this eBay supplier. So when you get your order from your customer on Amazon, you just fulfill the order through eBay, and right here this would be like a $13-14 profit. So that's one example. Let's see. This is another one I found, is this Bare Minerals 30-day complexion starter kit, medium beige, and that's selling for $32.87. And then you can go over to eBay, and let's see, this is the one I clicked on. Yeah, so this is a top-rated seller here, and so they've sold more than 66%. So that's most likely they have that at their house, and they buy in bulk. So you can contact this seller and see if they're going to be getting more in, because you can purchase from them for $21.99 and sell it for $32.87. So once you get the buy box, people just buy tons of it. Like, we'd have people buying 2 or 3 of each thing. And you can look down here. What you want to look at is the rank of this. This isn't too bad, 84,000. The lower the better, but it's 160. So the lower the better. And we would get items that were ranked, like, we had a really good seller's rank, and so we got the buy box, and we would just sell over and over and over again. And you can see how many things we sold, and it was just, like I said, our best day was 1,300 profit, but we had hundreds of orders to fulfill a day. So that's the downside of it. You can make good money, but you have to have the time to do that, or we hired people to do it. But even so, what we paid them, we still made a really good profit. But what happened was my daughter decided she didn't want to do this anymore, and I had a full-time job, and she was helping me at home, and so and then the other part about it was our metrics got really messed up because we weren't fulfilling orders. This supplier that we had on eBay was not he was not telling us the truth. So our let me see the performance here, account health. So our account health really suffered, and so we did get our account shut down, but I did get it back. But after that time, I just didn't have the time to do it because my daughter wasn't helping. But I will say all this to say that this business model absolutely works. That if you find certain items on Amazon, and you can find a top-rated supplier on eBay and build this relationship with them, you can make some good sales. And Amazon drop shipping is something that you can absolutely do full-time. Like I said, I have two friends that do this full-time, and they really enjoy it. Their whole family's involved. So this is an option for you to make money online. This is, I'm going to show you here. I would say go ahead and go to Udemy and find a course. So I saw one I thought was really good. Then they're only like $9.99. So I would say this is a really good way to educate yourself. This is the one I thought was really good. Building a Dropshipping Empire from Scratch, $9.99. And you can go in here and preview the course. I think she's got 6.5 hours. So I think this woman makes 6 figures. So dropshipping, there are pros and cons to it, but you can definitely make some good money. I mean, I really was surprised when we profited $16,000 in 6 weeks. But again, I just wanted to give this to you as an option on how to make money online selling on Amazon. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about how to make money online and affiliate marketing. If you're interested in my #1 recommended way to make money online, that's in the description right below this video. You can check that out if you like. With that being said, that's it for this video. Take care. Talk with you soon. Bye now.